Hey everyone, Chris here with an exciting new release from XTC Power Products. Today I'm here to show you our brand new replacement headlights for your Polaris Xpedition. These are a 100% plug and play replacement for your factory headlight that will also tie into your new or existing XTC turn signal system to have a nice amber indicator on the top leading edge here. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install these in your ride. Okay, to start this install, we're going to go ahead and remove the front grille and this upper hood panel to access two T40 Torx screws to pull up on this front fender to gain access to the headlight. Now after removing the two T40 screws, this front fender has a little clip under here, so you want to push it out and then up, which will gain you access right here underneath the fender to the two T25 screws in the top of the headlight, and I'll show you there's one on the inside of the fender at the bottom of the headlight. Okay, now before removing the top two Torx screws, we're going to reach down behind the light and unplug the factory headlight connector. Quick and easy unplug there. Grab our tool. Now these are adjustable headlights in here from the factory, so be sure when you remove these screws, there's springs that sandwich between the headlight and the fascia to keep it stable when adjusting. So just be sure when you take this apart that you want to grab these springs and don't lose them. And let's go to the bottom one. Before bolting it up, we're going to plug back into the factory harness. Got that connected, and this car is also previously equipped with turn signals, so we're connecting the yellow wire to our signal light. We're going to go ahead and reinstall these springs. And then we can move the light up into position carefully. Grab the first screw. So now that we got the headlight back into place and screwed in, before reattaching your fender here, you want to go ahead and pull your vehicle up to your garage door or shop wall or whatever, because like I said previously, these are adjustable headlights. These screws, you can adjust how high your beam is up or down or in and from side to side. So before securing everything back there, make sure you have your headlights adjusted properly where you like it. All right, now that we got the driver's side installed, we're going to repeat the same steps on the passenger side. Now that we got both headlights installed and everything, we're going to go ahead and button up the fenders, put the hood on there, and fire it up to check out the operation. All right, I hope you like what you saw today and how simple and easy it was to do this awesome upgrade to your Xpedition. If you like what you saw, please be sure to check out xtcpowerproducts.com to get you wired for fun.